Okay, so I have Keith and Jim here from Shanahan Motor Services, Keith Shanahan Motor Services. Guys, you're over in Wolverhampton at AutoInform Live. What brought you here?
Just the access to so many brilliant trainers here, the information is key, obviously, to trade, keeping up to date with things, new technologies and all that. This is just a brilliant place to do, it's centred around all these great people in the trade, so why not,
Worth coming over for the weekend?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Learn so much,
And Jim, you came too?
I did, yes. My second time, actually, I was in Cork a few years back. One of the best experiences I've had of learning and a whole range of different topics and subjects that you can get down and get familiar with, and generally just help you along in your day-to-day working life,
Just meeting other lads in the trade too, we obviously can meet a lot of lads from DPF network and stuff, but there's so many other lads, there's different garages, keep their kind of take on the trade, and we're all going through the same stuff and getting advice off there as well, which is brilliant. So it's on the 2nd, 3rd of April in the RDS in Dublin. It's going to be at home, so handy trip up, why not?
And are you going to go?
Oh yeah,
I endorse it, we miss it.
Great stuff. So you actually think, even though you've come over here to Wolverhampton and you've done some training here, you would go again?
Yeah, there's so much more to get, there's a massive amount of information and training here, so take every chance you can, because the trade is developing so quickly,
And you feel that it is something that you can use every day in your work, in your garage?
100%, we definitely, if you want to move forward in the trade, keep up to date, you have to use it every day, you have to keep up to date.
Fantastic. Thank you guys, really appreciate your time. I know you're very busy today.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.